Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of Civics Standard 6 Chapter 10, that is Rural Local Self-Government. So we will be discussing the question answers of this chapter. Here children, you can see all the slides will come one by one, like 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 and 101. There when I discuss, you see at the very bottom of this slide you will find I have discussed the question answers, so you can mark from the book as I have marked and shown some answers I have written that you need to copy down. So you have to write everything in your notebook. Only fill in the blanks, true, false, circle, and only this many A, B and C you need to write in the book itself, but D, that is give reasons and answer these questions, plus picture study also you have to write in your copy. If you get space in the book, you can do the picture study over there, but if you don't get space, if you think you have less space over there, you can write it down in your notebooks. Here in this slide children, we see that some new words are given, so you need to go through them. Then time to learn, where A number is circle the correct answers. I have put tick, but you need to do circle over there. And then B part is fill in the blanks, where you can go through the fill in the blanks. Whatever I have taught is related to that only. All the fill in the blanks you can get from inside the book only. Then after doing the fill in the blanks, you come to true or false, where you need to write true or false. Complete children, you have to write TRUE or FALSE. Don't just write T and F. Now after that, in the exams also you need to do that only. In exams also don't follow T and F pattern. Write full true TRUE and false FALSE. Now where give reasons for the following is given number D. You can see there it is written, India needs Panchayati Raj system. You have to give reasons why they need, because it looks after the day-to-day running of the village administration, that is rural administration. That's why India needs Panchayati Raj system, so that it can look after the day-to-day running of the village. Now here also I have given written with the pencil also, you can see. Then D2, a group of 5 people and not just one person is elected to the Gram Panchayat. You can see not only one person but 5 are there. Why? So you need to write there. This is because why 5 people are there, not one. This is because Gram Panchayats are the representatives body comprising a punch. Comprising means it is having a punch and a head called Sarpanch. Okay, 5 are there and the one is head who is called as Sarpanch. Now this part you need to write in your copies, give reason part. Then answer these questions also you need to write down in your notebooks. What is a Gram Sabha? There the answer I have written at the bottom of this page with pencil, you can see. Gram Sabha means a village assembly comprising all adult members of village. That you need to write. And the second connecting question is, what does it do? Children, you need to change paragraph while you attempt the second part of the same question. So you need to write all the important decisions concerning the village are discussed by the Gram Sabha. That you need to write. So now you will see number 2, write 3 compulsory functions of Gram Panchayat. You have to go to page number 97, where you can see I have mentioned there E2. So 3 compulsory functions have been asked. So you have to write like providing primary education, then providing clean drinking water and maintaining wells, tanks and pumps, that you need to write. Then maintaining cleanliness in the village, that you need to write. So these are three. First I said primary education, providing that, then providing clean drinking water and maintaining wells, tank and pump, then maintaining cleanliness in the village. So cleanliness is also there. Here I have written E2 so that you can see the answer from there. Now E3 is, I have written the page numbers also. Besides that, you can see what is the purpose of a Nyaya Panchayat. You go to page 97 again. There you see right hand side I have marked and I have written E3, that is it settles minor disputes and provides cheap and prompt justice to villagers. Generally there is one Nyaya Panchayat for a number of villages, that you need to write over there. Then number 4 you see write two functions of a block samiti. You go to page number 98 and there you see at the very bottom part you will get right hand side. There you can see it is given in points, the functions are written. So there I have written E4 and I have circled the points. From there you can write the expert in agriculture advises villagers on better varieties of seed, pesticides, new methods of cultivation and so on. And from here page number 99 also you can see on the top one more point is given, educational experts organize literacy programs. There I have written E4 in both of the points, so you can write it down. Then coming to two functions of block samiti I have discussed. Then coming to describe the composition of a Zilla Parishad, that is question number 5. You have to go to page number 99 and you have to see the composition, that is the district level Zilla Parishad, which is the highest body of Panchayati Raj system. So composition you can see over there. Composition means who are the members over there. It is comprised of how many members, everything is written over there. So you can see E5 I have marked all the points. You can just write the part which I have underlined, that is block pramukh of block samitis, the number 2 members of the state legislature and members of parliament. Only that much you need to write, only the underlined part. Then third is seats are reserved for women and people belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. And fourth is the members elect a president and vice president from among themselves only. So E5 I have written over there. From there you can write it down. E6 you see write three functions of a Zilla Parishad. It is given in the same page 99. There you can see I have marked, I have given two ticks where I have put E6. You can see, so I have put ticks, you can see on E6 and E6 two times I have written. So that 2 points you need to write. That is one more point I have given, that is three functions they have asked. One more point I have given in functions, that is there also I have written E6 by marking it. You can see left side down at the corner, it maintains law and order, land records and collect revenue. Then on basis of plans prepared by block samitis, the Zilla Parishad makes a plan for the whole district. And the third point, it also advises the state government on all matters related to development. So here we come and end to answer this question. In this slide children, you can see 101 page number, that is your picture study where it is given in your book. This picture depicts a very important function of Panchayati Raj system. You can understand by looking at it, like they are providing all medical facilities. So you have to answer these questions which follows 1, 2, 3, that is at which tier of Panchayati Raj system is this function performed. So the answer will be the Gram Panchayat, that is the village level, in bracket it is written. Then in number 2, name the local self-governing body that performs this function. So which is the local self-governing body? Sarpanch or Pradhan. And number 3, for how many years are members elected to this local self-governing body? They are elected for the term of 5 years. So children, you need to do till here, revise the chapter thoroughly, learn the question answers nicely and write all correctly without any spelling mistakes in your notebook. And you can check the slides which are given above for your answers.